Parikshit of Ankit's Fun Club, and today I'm going to show you how to make slime in your home. We need a slime mix and a slime activator and some glue, and you can take some glitter, or do you want to take some glitter? You can. If you don't want to, you can not also. Also.
Any color you want, we can use that.
Yes. And a bowl.
So first we use the slime mix, okay?
Okay.
So we just have this much left, so we're going to use the full amount now.
Okay, yeah.
Can we pour this in, Parikshit?
Okay. I'm going to pour. Wow.
Do you know what is slime mix actually?
What?
It is a mixture of glue and water.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
See, if we're looking like that, it looks, these are some tiny bubbles.
You want to check how?
Wow. They look.
Is it sticky? Yeah.
Let me see.
Just check.
Yes,
It's very sticky.
it feels
Yeah.
sticky.
Sticky, sticky, sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Okay. So, since we have only little bit of slime mix, we can make our own slime mix, right?
Yeah.
We can use glue
Glue?
and water.
Yeah.
So, what do?
First, let's pour glue.
We take equal amounts of both the mixtures.
You can.
You pour this one, I'm going to pour this one, okay?
Okay.
We're going to make a big slime.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Who's faster? Let's see. Who empties the bottle faster?
I'm done.
No. You still have it. Yo!
I'm done.
No. I'm also done. We're going to squeeze the bottle.
Yeah, let's just squeeze it.
Yeah.
Wow. Now
Done.
let's mix it.
Yeah, done.
Let's
Now, what do we have to do?
But let's mix it.
Yeah, first let's mix it. I'm going to also mix it.
Wow. It feels so sticky.
But we have to add some water, I think.
Wow. What are you doing?
We have to add some water.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Now again we are going to mix. See, how does it look now?
Mama, mixing, I have learned a new word.
What?
Agitating.
Oh my god. Okay, now the slime mix is ready. Now what do you want to add to it?
Let's add some slime activator.
You don't want any colors?
Yes.
What colors do you want?
Let's put 2 colors.
Okay.
Okay. I want blue.
Okay.
My favorite color.
And I'll also choose one color. Red.
And let's see. Okay, let's get 2 drops.
1, 2.
I'm going to put. See.
Wow, this is looking so
This
beautiful.
look
Let us make a smiley out of it, okay?
Yes.
Black. We're going to make 1, 2, 3. What are we doing?
What is this?
Design.
A spec.
See, how does it look?
A spec design.
Okay. Now.
Let's mix it.
Okay.
You and me too. Wow.
Wow.
What a color. Wow. It is dark green.
Yeah. Olive green, basically.
It's olive green.
Okay. Now.
Oh, see your hands. Sticky. Why are you touching it?
Now. What do we do?
Slime activator.
How many drops?
Let's put 7,000 drops. 2 drops.
We first put slowly. Activator has to be put slowly.
Otherwise, it will be very sticky.
Yeah, then you have to mix.
Let me mix also.
Yeah, you mix. I'm going to add the slime again. Let us see if we can
Whoa.
get... Yes, it's getting...
No!
More. Add more activator. Parikshit.
Okay, I add more activator. I'm going to pour more. I have done a lot of slime activator. No, don't put more slime activator.
Yeah, if you put more slime activator, your slime will get spoiled. So you have to be very careful and you have to mix very nicely. Mixing.
I'm agitating.
Agitating, we cannot use it over here.
Yes, we can.
Okay, next. Again mix.
What will I be mix?
Let me put more.
No. I'm going to do double. No. What?
Put so much activator.
Yes. New double.
Mix it. See, the bowl is also moving, isn't it?
Whoa! Why?
It's still very watery.
Yes.
Mix it. Yes. See, we're getting the slime. It's forming some lumps.
Yes. Wow.
You like to play with slime, Parikshit?
Yes.
But it's very untidy, no? No?
It gets dry. It got dried.
Okay, now we're going to mix.
What? See, it's getting the pump.
Yeah.
Show your friends.
Let me mix more.
Show your friends. Let me show them.
I think we're going to get the slime now. Mix. Yes. Mix.
Let me show. See, and look at this pump. Wow.
Now you're going to mix it. My hands are aching.
Actually, my very quick way.
It's spilling.
There you go. See how it is. I think I put too much activator.
Your ice cream. Eat some ice cream.
This is not ice cream. This is slime.
What is this?
This is a crocodile slime. Oh, crocodiles look like these colors.
No, what went wrong with the slime?
I think I put too much activator.
We have to mix it more.
How much? Forever?
Do you want to use hands?
No.
Let's try using our hands now.
Okay, you first you do.
Okay.
Okay, that was you do that. Okay.
1, 2, and 3. What is this? What is this?
The crocodile.
What is this?
A crocodile. I don't want to make my hands sticky.
I'm going to make you mix it with your hands now.
No, you're not able to.
I can. I'm going to mix it.
Because I have this.
See,
Yeah.
it's so slimy. Yeah.
No.
Let's add some more colors to it now.
Yeah.
Please. My hands are dirty.
Okay. Well, you have to put a glitter.
No glitter.
Why?
Put more colors.
Okay, wait. I will put infinite black. Yeah.
That's it.
What is
Oh
going
my god.
What a color. Let's put more.
What? More
Color.
black.
Yes.
Oh my god. See how sticky it is. You want to touch it?
No!
Please take. You like to play with slime, no? No, you have to do. You can't run away. You have to play with this. You have to play with this. You have to play with this. You have to play with this.
I'm going to bang the table.
So now, friends, we'll try again next time. This is not a slime. This is something very sticky and slimy and
Gross.
it's a grass.
It's a cross. So friends, did you love the video that you can make a slime at home?
Sorry, no slime.
Yeah.
Then please like and subscribe
To our channel.
Bye bye.
Bye bye and have a good day.